Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here to share few crazy facts with you, mm, which may bring a craziness in your life in this quarantine. So let's get started. In a year, there are 3 crores 15 lakhs 36,000 seconds, and in a leap year, there are 3 crores 16 lakhs 22,400 seconds. Human nails grows at a rate of 3.47 mm per month, and human hair grows at a rate of 6 inches per year. With over 7 million dislikes, YouTube 2018 Rewind video is the most disliked video on YouTube. World's largest toy manufacturing company Lego is also the world's largest tire manufacturing and producing company. The fastest cruise missile on the planet is BrahMos, and its speed is up to 3 Mach. And in future, there are some theories that it can achieve a speed of 7 Mach. On an average, humans spend their 26 years of life in sleep. Like 26 years of their life in sleeping. This may sound you like small, right? But it is equals to 9,490 days, and again it is equals to 2,27,770 seconds. Now that's called a number. The only letter that does not exist in periodic table is J. Like like whoa, like whoa. Like J. And the first movie to put out motion picture is The Snow and the Seven Dwarfs. Yeah, that was the picture. The diameter of planet Pluto is twice the diameter of Australia, like the country Australia or the continent Australia. So it is so small. On an average, a human brain can produce 0.085 watts of power every second. So to exactly analyze how much amount of the power it actually produces, let us take an example. It can fully charge an iPhone 5C in 68.3 hours. So it produces a pretty large amount of power. According to Business Insiders, the annual income of Bill Gates is 12 billion US dollars. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So if you have any suggestions, feel free to comment down below. Suggestions are appreciated, and I hope you all are staying in your homes. Thank you. Oh hi, if you're still here, then thank you. There is a bonus fact for you. While you're watching this video, Bill Gates already earned this much of amount. So
Thanks for watching this
thanks
video,
for watching
guys.
this video. The net the net weight. If you have any suggestions, just comment down below. Commenting is free.